Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I wanted to show you some items that I got with my Raising Cane's Kids Combo meal recently. This is the toy that came in the package. It's got a little puppy on it, and I got the Dominoes. It says Cane and Friends Dominoes. I'm going to open that up in a little bit and show you what those dominoes look like. But first, let's take a look at the bag. In the cup that came with the meal, I got a lemonade. This is a 12-ounce cup. It's plastic. Nice red plastic lid and a place to insert a straw. It's got very colorful graphics. Cane and Friends. There's the puppy. They're bowling. There's a kitty cat. They're at a bowling alley. There's a rabbit, a turtle, and a pony. It's really cute. Nice size kids cup. And then this is the bag that it came in. Also a bowling theme. It's nice and colorful as well with the same characters. There's a kitty cat. That looks like a monkey. And then there's a puppy with a little cane scarf around its neck. There's questions on here. Here's how many bowling balls can you find on this bag. So that was an activity for the children to figure out how many were on here. You can see it's upside down here. There's some bowling shoes. It's a paper bag. It says collect them all. Now in the Raising Cane's Kids meal, there are 3 fun new toys to collect. One is Cane and Friends Dominoes, which I got. Challenge friends to a game of dominoes. The second one is Friend Guesser. Can you guess the Cane and Friends character? And then neighborhood sticker packs. Decorate the neighborhood your way. Which one did you get? Well, I got the Cane and Friends Dominoes. Here's a QR code that you can scan. It says ask a grown-up to scan this QR code to learn more about how Raising Cane's is helping out in your community. And then on the back here, we've got this game called Shoelace Shuffle. Can you untangle the shoelaces to find which connects to the matching red bowling shoe? Okay, that's the red bowling shoe, and there's a match. So you've got to figure out, do you want to take 1, 2, 3, or 4? And that would probably take a while for the kid to play. I'm going to go backwards, which might be considered cheating. But for the purpose of this demonstration, it's number 4. And there it is on the bottom. Answer is number 4. Here's another character, the turtle that we saw on the cup. Bowling pins, bowling balls. Then there's a rabbit on this side. He was also on the cup. So those must be the different characters. Now here's another game called Pin Drop. Only read the letters on the pins with red stripes to find the hidden words. And I'll let you take a look at that and see if you can figure out the hidden words. It's a very nice kids combo meal. It came with 2 chicken fingers, sauce, fries, and a drink. Now I also wanted to show you a cup that I got maybe a few years ago from Cane's in a kids meal. This one was not, I didn't purchase this for myself, but was one of my grandkids. And it's a cute look too. I like how it's got all these hearts on it with different colors and a blue background. See what's new in the Raising Cane's arcade. Download the app. Same size cup. That's really cute. Now let's take a look at the dominoes. Okay, I've cut off the top. It comes in this nice pouch that you can keep the dominoes in. It's got a Ziploc on it. And then you can see the dominoes inside here. Comes along with this instruction pamphlet. Game setup and how to play. More on how to play and how to win. And then here's the dominoes. These are cute. They're cardboard, but they're a pretty sturdy cardboard. They've got the Cane's logo on the back with the little puppy paws, and then the different characters. I've got this upside down, so let's put it right side up so you can see what other characters we've got in here. There's a puppy, a rabbit, 2 rabbits. I guess that's a blank domino. Rabbits, looks like a pony. There's the turtle's face, the cats, and there's the monkeys. Turtle faces, ponies. Looks like that's about it as far as the characters go. I don't know if the characters have names. If you know the names of the characters, let me know in the comments. These are really cute. Would have been nice if they were actual plastic, but for a little over $5, it's not bad. You get this meal and a toy. I hope you like this Cane's Adventures Kids Combo Meal. If you do, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.